NBG Productions brings you brain-based myths about organizational behavior. Take, for example, the thought that it doesn't really matter if you are lonely. Is this true? Maybe not. Did you know that simply sucking it up doesn't matter? That loneliness more than doubles the progression to Alzheimer's disease? This is the reason that inclusion training matters. And simply hanging out around people is not the answer either. How you take in people, how you process empathy, and how you feel matters within organizations. The second, that you somehow can help control your emotions if you use your thinking brain. You know this feeling like you're losing it. Put a lid on it, right? Get yourself to the point where somehow you can use your thinking brain to control your emotional brain. Maybe not, because this thinking brain is actually like a brake, and slamming on the brakes gets you to a point of utter exhaustion. Studies have shown that when you do this repeatedly, you actually ignore extremely important things. So the answer then is to learn how to modulate this prefrontal cortex or thinking brain and to learn how to express emotions constructively. The third myth, just tell yourself not to do it. You're at a party, you're holding a glass of red wine, and you're saying to yourself, do not drop the wine. And the next thing you know, the wine is spilt all over the place. The brain is wired so that the conscious brain works with the unconscious brain. Except that under stress, the conscious brain has gone off to sleep, and all you have is the unconscious brain that reacts and does not hear the word no. So if you say to yourself, don't drop the wine, you'll drop it. If you say, don't lose it, you'll lose it. What you need to say is stay in control, because when you do, your brain will listen more appropriately. These kinds of myths apply to agility, creativity, change, high-stakes leadership, and difficult conversations. To find out more about how the brain works, please check us out at leadershipseminars.gr and come to the Leadership Seminar on October 16th at the Hilton Ath.